What happens at a typical Igbo wedding? First, the bride comes in dancing with her bridesmaids. She meets her parents, who bless her and give her a cup of palm wine. She dances with the palm wine around the venue, looking for the groom. As she dances, her guests spray her with ego. In Igbo culture, spraying money is an act of celebration. Spraying allows the crowd an opportunity to participate in the performance and express their approval. When the bride finds the groom, he drinks the palm wine and puts money in her cup. After, the couple goes back to her parents. The groom returns the cup, and the parents bless the new husband and wife. In Igbo, weddings are called Agbankwu.